If you are curious about the new Chanel concealer, how does it look under mature eyes? Does it crease? Does it look dry? Does it look filtered? Today's video is going to be for you. I've actually been testing this out, so this is not a first impression. I'm going to apply it for you. We're going to zoom right way in, and I'm going to let you know if this works on my mature, almost 60-year-old eyes. Let's get into it. Ultra Le Teint Concealer comes in 28 shades. This is in the shade B10. I have been testing this out for you, so I know how it wears. So I'm not going to do a whole wear test because I know right away, and you'll be able to see it right away. So I'm just going to apply a small amount to one side, and then I'm going to blend it out. Using my paw brush from BK Beauty, I'm just keeping it in this area right here. And then I'm going to blend. And I hope that you're going to be able to see this for yourself, but I find this to be very drying. If you have dry under eyes, if you have crepey skin, this is not going to be the concealer for you. I feel like I've heard, since I purchased this, I've heard several people rave about this and how amazing it is. You just have to consider how old they are, their skin type and all that, because I'm just telling you as a mature woman that's I'm going to be 60 this year, which is, I can't even believe it. And it is very dry here, and I am going to show you it close up so you can see. By the way, I don't have my ring light on right now. You see, I hope that you can see it. It just emphasizes any lines that I have there. It doesn't look pretty. It's not nice. Now, I've tried this on my face too, and I don't like it. I'll just do a little bit. I'm not going to do it all over my face. I just don't find that it spreads well. I feel like it dries really quickly on me. Like I said, I've tried this several times. If you have any dry areas, I'm going to actually put an area here where I have a little bit of dryness and put this away. And I will blend this out. Actually, it doesn't look too bad right now because I really exfoliated this morning, but I'm telling you, if you have dryness, you're going to see it. I don't find that it covers completely, like you're still going to see some redness in here. Okay, so let me show you, but now I'm starting to see some of the dry patches. I don't know if you're going to see it on camera, but I can see it. Now again, if you have more dryness, and I did earlier this morning, I exfoliated by my nose, it's going to emphasize. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup because let me show you one. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple options and then I'm going to wrap this up. One of the options is this. Let me put this on my other eye so I can show you. This one is very expensive, but for those of you who know, you know. This is an amazing concealer. This is from Sicily. It has a terrible color selection. Horrendous. So if you can find your shade, I think you're going to like it. So what I like about it is it has a little bit of a peach undertone. I am wearing shade 1. What I love about it is it's hydrating. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't look cakey. I'm going to put it right here. I want to wipe that brush off too because I'm going to use that brush. I'll use the same brush to blend it out, which a lot of times I just use my finger, but I'm going to use that same brush. And I tap it in here. And then I blend it out. And this is just, you're going to see. It just looks amazing. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a concealer, but yet it conceals. You see the difference? So this side is the Chanel, that side is the Sicily. And there's definitely a difference. As I said, I can see us. Now remember, you're going to you see a little bit of that tear trough? That's just my lighting. You know, there you go. See, it's just shadows that are in here. That's all it is. It covered just the same. But the thing that I like about the Sicily is it just looks smoother. It looks more skin-like. This tube will last you several years, so keep that in mind. It is very expensive, but it is worth every damn penny. If you've used it, you know, it works. The other one that I really like actually is from Victoria Beckham. I like this more for on my face, but I can wear it under my eyes. And again, these are both skincare infused, if you will. And that might be the difference between both of them because they feel a little bit more thinner in consistency. So I just prefer that over the Chanel. I just find this to be too drying. If you like the double wear, then you're going to like this because I feel like they're the same. I feel like they're just very, very drying for my mature eyes. So if you have any dryness, or you have any crepey under eyes, you are not going to like these. And as like I said, as far as the face, I just find that I have to work really quickly at it. Whereas the Natasha Denona, which I've shared with you guys before, I can use it on my face, blend it out, looks amazing. This is not it. This is not it. I feel like I have to work really fast. It can look really dry. It clings on to any dryness. It's not worth it. Save your money. I'm just not a fan of that. I feel like if you're of age, I just don't think it's going to work for most of us. Now, if you are someone that you're not going to look close in the mirror and go, oh my God, look at all, then maybe to be for you. But I just find that it looks drying, so I just can't recommend it. I don't even like it on my face. I just feel like it's overpriced, and I just don't think it works for mature skin personally. And that is where I'm going to leave it. If you like it, please share in the comments. I always like to have you guys have a voice here, but I've tried it many times and I just don't like it. If you're new here, I would love to hear you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, comment on the video. Helps push them out to algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.